What's up, bro? What's up, man? What's up, dude? Right. Right there is a tent in the woods. Probably in there smoking crack or doing heroin. Literally the only two options. There's a junkie going in the woods. There's more junkies. It's pretty funny, actually.
Why can't I get a bank account with some savings in it? Maybe the same reason all my friends feel like they're babysitting, tripping about some aliens and isn't like a rabies kitten. My lady's bitchin' gonna make me have a brain conniption. Ever since a baby had banging with anger issues and bruxisms, got this muscle in my facial tensing. When I was young they told me I was on my way to prison. Life is brutal, not a day goes by it doesn't claim a victim. Savant syndrome, with poems I like to paint a visual. I don't believe in most of the things these snakes are claiming is true, cause the truth is much stranger than what they convince you. Homies hanging with you, sucking like their fucking fangs that bitch you. Sick of playing with you, could get heinous like a pagan ritual. Play this single with the SETI message, aim the signals. Anything that makes my name official gains a little through association. So we'll take your buzz and make it fizzle. The way I did it, you can't forget it, like Pain Olympics. Still surviving, but ain't the fittest. I'm lanky lemon, way more legit than as a kid, but I'm still gangster with it. Timid artists getting hard conditions like a prank's forbidden. You hasty riders need to take a minute. Think the breaker quit it, heard your tape but didn't understand the language in it. Sounding like you drank a fifth of Jaeger on your way to spit it. I'm not complaining, I should blame myself, I paid attention. Life's a road with signs and lane changes, lights and roads, frights with loads and wait stations. I'm broke but aim to be a wave making game changer, stuck up in your brain like that Mark Twain claymation. Can I get that shake with fries when I'm dame chasing? A slave to rhymes, I can almost hear them chains clanking. Apologizing for all the time that I stay wasting, but it's time for me to finally be on a staycation. Still just sitting on sidelines, waiting for my time to get it. Cause people been sleeping since we were some preteens. Always just hoping that we could be seen, but it's okay now, cause we on the way now. It'll be any day now. Email receipts and then PayPal. Yeah.
Oh look, there's one right there. You trying to lease a home? I'm trying to own that Mona Lisa. A rare art collector. I saw the Sphinx and stole the nose from Giza. And when I go to Pisa, I'll be smoking reefer on that leaning tower, blowing vapor like an open freezer in a steaming shower. You quit rap? Well, some shit happened, and chip stacking became way more important than lip flapping. I'm trying to wake up from this hell, but still stumbling, struggling to break out from my shell like a chick hatching, trying to match a miss, but I always seem to mismatch. Karma is a bitch, so I bitch slap her. Hey yo, fuck the homies that hate, the phonies, the fakes, the stakes, and all my cronies who still owe me the date. My only mistake was thinking y'all were tough enough to handle your own weight. I'll brush you off like sand on the home plate. Yo, this music shit, I need it like I'm breathing air. I make it just for me, so I don't even care if people share. We putting out the heat. I'm traveling with firemen, surround myself with peace. I'm Daniel in the lion's den with my buddy Cecil. Writing money's lethal on this bloody easel, but it must be people who are just as evil. Cause hunting's legal, set my beagle on you fucking weasels. Everything I see is mine, like Finding Nemo's clucking seagulls. Inside I'm empty, so I have to fill that vacancy with rapping real. It's basically a path to kill complacency. Underground, I'll never crack a deal with an agency where $500,000 is paid to me. No, I have to build it faithfully. It's not what have you done, it's what you done for me lately. Always looking just for something to hate me, it's crazy.
Still just sitting on sidelines, waiting for my time to get it. Cause people been sleeping since we were some preteens. Always just hoping that